guys, welcome back. We've come hiking. We don't come hiking very often, but we do like to go out now and again for a bit of fresh air. So we've come to a forest called Nutwood, and the kids look so cute in their little puddle suits and waterproofs. We're ready because you just don't know what the weather's going to be like. So I'm going to take you on the way with us, and I'll catch you later.
I was coming over here, I got stung.
Kids absolutely love finding dens. That's what we're doing right now.
Hello, Eva! I'm getting it through the window!
Okay.
Hi!
Hi, Eva, you're inside.
Oh, this is a nice seat.
Oh,
I got inside by the window.
well done.
I'm stuck! I'm crossing the sea. Here it goes. Whoa, look at my stick! Whoa, that's deep.
Oh, don't get it in your wellies.
It's not going in. Oh, my foot really got stuck. Oh no! Wavy glass! Swish swash, swish swash, swish swash. I'm back. Going to take a big one. What a beautiful day! I'm not scared.
We did it together.
Yeah, it took 90,000 billion hours to get here. Whee! Whoa! Daddy! Are you right there? Hey! Even your hair.
Eva, let me look at you.
Look at my hand.
Hey! Eva doesn't like to get dirty, and it goes splashed with mud straight in her face.
That's what I'm talking about. Eva.
No, leave Eva alone. Leave her alone.
Where's it at? Hey! Naughty! I like my shoes. I like now. Scared. No, they're not. That one's my shoes. Diego.
That is my dream house, just saying. So I hope you enjoyed having a look at our hike today. We had a really good time, and it's the first time we've been to that woods actually, and we'll probably go again. We are home now. We all had to get a shower, as I'm pretty sure you worked out by the state of us, especially Diego. He was practically swimming in mud at one point, but it's just a great day out. I just love fresh air. So for us, we're quite an active family anyway, but I think even if you don't tend to do things like that, now and again it's just so good for the soul, and I always recommend it. And where I always am on after we've been out, and that is cooking dinner. But I have got my helpers with me today. Hello. They're just chilling out themselves actually. So we're gonna have some food, chill, and who knows what we're going to do tonight. It's Saturday, so maybe a nice relaxing movie. I don't know. But anyway, I hope you've all had a lovely day. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget, as always, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye.